If you use castor oil the right way, nothing can stop you from looking and feeling like you are 25 again. I have been using castor oil, also known as nature's BOTOX to many, for the past 37 years to prevent signs of aging, and this is my secret. In this video, I will share how I use castor oil to look 25 at age 62. My best friend started doing this 1 week ago and already sees better results than Botox and filler. You might be thinking, isn't castor oil just used when you have constipation? No. Castor oil is the secret I've been keeping for 37 years. Cold-pressed castor oil is extracting oil from the seeds of a castor plant without damaging the medicinal properties of castor oil. I only use organic, cold-pressed, 100% castor oil. This is the key to unlocking its full potential. Castor oil molecules help stimulate collagen synthesis. Collagen is the building block of youthful, plump, smooth skin. As we age, collagen production naturally decreases, which leads to wrinkles, sagging, and dullness. Castor oil helps restore that collagen, smoothing out scars, fine lines, and even deep wrinkles. The more collagen, the more youthful the skin looks. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid. This chemical in castor oil deeply penetrates the skin, providing an intense boost of moisture and improving your skin's elasticity. Your skin starts to feel firmer, making it less prone to the sagging, dryness, and dullness that comes with aging. Castor oil can be used to people of all ages. Many of us suffer from skin issues like acne, eczema, and rosacea. If you have red, inflamed skin, castor oil can calm it down. It's great for inflammation. I apply it to flare-ups. It gets rid of inflammation and redness and helps my skin heal. I've been using it on my skin for 37 years, and it's my go-to solution when I have a breakout. Castor oil is for full-on youth renewal, including hair. Thick, luscious hair is often associated with youth, vitality, and energy. Castor oil has the ability to stimulate hair growth, and it helps to fight dandruff too because it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish and hydrate your scalp, giving you the healthy hair you deserve. Apply castor oil to your scalp and wash it out after 1 hour for best results. I use castor oil to get my eyelashes long and fluttery, making my eyes pop. Castor oil is my secret weapon to fuller, thicker lashes. Every night before bed, I apply a tiny amount to my lashes. Just a little dab, and let the oil work its magic overnight. Be careful not to get it in your eyes. You might be wondering, where does this miracle oil come from? Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, the Greeks, and the Indians were already using castor oil for beauty and health thousands of years ago. Cleopatra herself was known to use castor oil for her skin. Even the Egyptians used it to treat ailments and preserve their skin. This oil is a timeless solution for skin and hair care. So now you know. Castor oil is natural, powerhouse ingredient that, when used correctly, can keep you looking and feeling youthful, no matter your age. It's time to make castor oil a part of your daily routine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more holistic health secrets. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with castor oil.